Hello gorgeous, I'm Danielle Rosaria and I paint pictures. Today we're painting a skater bird. Let's go. That's the viola. You sound so beautiful on the viola. So I wanted to tell you the story behind this picture and about the painting process. This one was really fun for me to imagine because in the photo it had this really great clear picture of this cockatiel, but the background was like in someone's home, so it was pretty neutral background. So I wanted to recreate the skater vibe that I see so many times around here in Southern California. So I put like some graffiti art in the background, but they're all bird sayings. You can see seed. What is this one? More seed. His, flap, millet, just all kinds of things that cockatiels like. I really love that this bird's owner provided him with a skateboard because parrots are really smart, so they need a lot of enrichment and time to explore, interaction either with other birds or with the humans that love them. So that this human being provided this guy with a skateboard to play on is really super cool. And I just love the texture of the feathers in the original photo. I think I'll show you the original photo right here. And so you can see it's beautiful and textured. Now the challenge of this picture was definitely painting a textured white bird that has a lot of different shadows and layering, but still looks white. So you can see I used a lot of different colors in this one, and I think it still comes across as white. So I think I'm pretty happy with this. I used just purple and orange to create a grayish color for the shadows, and I painted that underneath and layered the lighter colors over the top. And so I learned a lot while I was painting this one. It took me a few days to get the whole composition completed, and so it was really, really fun. So this is Skateboard. If you have any pets at home, I'd love to hear about that. If you want to comment on this video, I will always love hearing from you. What do you think about this picture? And leave me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm always painting new pictures like this one. Stay creative, my friend.